What's going on, everybody? My name is DJ Carlo and welcome to the 4th Scratch With Me video. Now for the new people here, let me briefly explain how this video concept works. It's pretty simple. So I'll first play a beat, then I'll do a specific scratch combo for 8 or 16 beats, and then I'll stop scratching and let the beat just play. When this happens, it'll be your turn to start scratching. So try to emulate the scratch combo I just did for you guys for about 8 or 16 beats. Once you're done doing that, I'll come back in and do a brand new scratch combo for you guys to emulate. So since this is the 4th Scratch With Me video, let's focus on our transformers. So grab your controller, grab your friends, grab your laptop, grab your popcorn, download this beat, and let's scratch.